He dances on the edge of law, a jester cloaked in cosmic flaw. With laughter sharp and riddles deep, he wakes the gods from sacred sleep. His tongue is fire, his mask a breeze. He bends the truth with practice ease, not to deceive but to reveal the cracks in what we think is real. He swaps the sun for painted moons, turns solemn rites to bawdy tunes. Yet in his shoes seeds are sown of truths too wild to stand alone. He mocks the throne, he flips the crown, he builds by tearing systems down. For every rule he dares to break, a new myth rises in his wake. So when the world feels fixed and tight, call forth the trickster in the night. He'll twist your path, unmask your fear, and laugh until the stars appear.